Hi everyone! Today we're gonna make curried lentils. Lentils is very rich in protein and very high in fiber, and so this will be very healthy. So for the ingredients, we're gonna use lentils, 1 medium-sized potato, half of a red onion, about half a cup of shredded carrots, or you can use chopped carrots. And for the spices, we need, of course, our curry powder, some salt, pepper, and salt. And we're gonna need some broth. So for vegetarians, you can use vegetable broth, or if you're not a vegetarian, you can use chicken broth. And also, if you don't have lentils at home, you can also use mung beans, because they're actually in the same family and they taste pretty much the same, so you can use that if it's hard for you to get lentils. And also, let's not forget our garlic. Oh, I love garlic, so we have to have garlic for this.